Modern success is often defined by the accumulation of tangible comforts, stylish clothing, property, and a steady stream of status symbols. This high-pressure pursuit has turned yoga into a popular management tool in the West, a physical workout used to sweat away the stress of a materialistic lifestyle. This blur of constant motion masks a deeper failure. Despite our material comforts and physical fitness, we are witnessing a global rise in anxiety, depression, and endless conflict. Exercise can strengthen the body, but it cannot resolve an internal crisis of meaning. Solving an existential problem requires a tool designed for the mind, not just the muscles. In 1957, Swami Sivananda sent his disciple Swami Vishnudevananda to the West with a specific directive to bring yoga to a world that was waiting for it. He began teaching in modest suburban settings like this one, eventually scaling his mission into an international organization, reaching hundreds of thousands of people. He arrived to deliver a systematic technology for human transformation, focusing on the mechanics of the mind. This ancient blueprint treats yoga as a mechanical process, a method designed to stabilize human consciousness and prevent societal collapse. To an outside observer, Hatha yoga appears to be a sequence of stretching. It looks like a purely biological process. However, physical poses and breathing techniques act as preparatory stages. They are the initial calibration of the human instrument. The mechanical goal is to remove two specific impurities from the system: the hyperactive rajasic state and the heavy lethargy of a tamasic state. This creates the smooth, balanced internal rhythm shown here. This process results in a purified nervous system. When the body is light and the prana moves freely, the senses are brought under control, allowing the mind to remain still. Physical flexibility serves as a side effect. The utility of these poses is building a biological vessel capable of sustaining intense meditation. This system is built on the philosophy of Vedanta, formulated by the 8th century sage Shankaracharya, who asserted that our true nature is a universal self. Vedanta suggests conflict stems from a limited perspective. Labels like race and nationality fracture our reality into isolated pieces. The solution is oneness. When we identify as the universal self, separation dissolves, and the fragments pull back into a whole. This unity is synthesized through 4 distinct paths: selfless service, devotion, meditation, and the study of wisdom. Yoga is the psychological experience of becoming universal space, moving past the perceived boundaries of the body and mind. This internal realization has a direct impact on how a person interacts with the world. When the sense of a separate, vulnerable I is removed, fear disappears. Without the fear of loss or the need to defend a limited ego, the impulse toward aggression is neutralized. When an individual views others as an extension of their own self, harming another becomes as illogical as harming oneself. This shifts peace from a fragile diplomatic negotiation into a natural consequence of how we perceive reality. Swami Vishnudevananda demonstrated this by flying into war zones on peace missions, applying the logic of yoga to global conflicts. Over 60 years, this legacy has grown to include more than 39,000 trained teachers operating across the globe. These practitioners serve as a network of peace missionaries, using the mechanics of yoga to address problems like addiction, depression, and social division. The boundaries that divide the world exist only in the mind.